Lagos, are you ready? Get ready to have the best time of your life as you unleash your creativity this December. Join us at the Harmony Creative Festival on December 9, 2023 at Ikeja City Mall, Lagos. Time 12 noon. Prepare to be entertained by top artists and celebrities including Kiki, Nice, Small Doctor, Kenny Black, and a host of others. It's a day of music, art, comedy, food, fashion, and more. Best part, admission is free, but registration is compulsory. To register now, visit our website at harmonybookme.com and check the link on our Instagram bios at harmonyent.ng and at harmonybookme. Turn on notifications for more updates. You can book at the venue on the event day. You don't want to miss this. Can't wait to see you. #.